Good morning, everyone. This is what I saw first thing on my morning.
This is what's laid out so beautifully right here near my chickens. This looks like lots of ammo, some good hats, camouflage hats, camouflage vests. I don't know what this is. Oh, this must be some kind of something or the other. Looks all very scary, but it ain't. All it is a laser game, laser tag. Gonna be played by Melro, and maybe I'll get some footage of that. I assume this guy sitting here is part of it, and we'll see as soon as they come play. Before games and all, I have compost to take care of. Lots of compost to take care of. Maybe then I'll get to play some ammo games. Okay, so fall is here. Hey everyone, I'm gonna bring you some treats in a minute. Mama's out with all her chicks in the gardens. They're cleaning up the gardens for us, eating up all the bugs in the garden. See that? We have too many roosters. Right, we got too many of you guys, even though you're really pretty. I'm keeping him. Some of the other ones, I am going to shech them. We're going to do a farm to table experience with 2 of the turkeys and 6 of the roosters. Hopefully next week. After our wonderful rains we had this week, we had hail and rain. I took footage of it that night, but it was too dark and it didn't come out clear. But, whoa, thunderstorm. 12 o'clock at night, first huge rainstorm, thunder, lightning, everything. We don't usually get these. I'm gonna put the camera in a Ziploc bag and go check on the chickens. Look at all this white. That's from the hail. All hail. Oh, look at him. Okay. This Mr. Funny Guy is out in the rain. Making sure everyone's okay. You're sopping wet. You can go inside. Chicks are all dry. Look at the under Mama. Look at all those feet under Mama. Mama's a bit wet, but they are all dry. Chicks are dry. Ginger. A bit wet. Okay, I covered the whole chick house with this thick material, tarp material. So they're going to be nice and cozy. Full moon peeking out under the clouds. Look how pretty. Ooh, lightning. And now look what happened to our pond. The pond got filled up. Just what I didn't want to happen happened. We were just in the middle of relaying the stones. And we were gonna wipe everything off and wash everything down and relay. So now we have to take out the water, take out the stones, and then relay. This is how much rain fell in like a half an hour to fill this up. It's crazy. This is the rain that filled our pond. So yay, our pond holds water, but it's not ready for it, and we were in the middle of replacing and finishing the rocks. Now we got to take out all the water, which is a good thing. It cleaned everything off. We'll take There's a lot more compost. I just started, but babies and mamas first, and Papa. There are 3 piles, one for Mama Summer and her chicks, one for Mama Ginger and her chicks, and those are for the impatient other chickens. And then we have more impatient guys over here with all our other bags of compost. Okay, so all this we saved from the garbage dumps and we're turning it back to where it came from. What's more amazing than that? I think we've done our hard work. We can go watch the laser fight. Wait, I almost forgot. We must cover the piles. Most important, not to attract flies or smelly anything. Cover the piles well. This is the path, right? We put wood chips down. I had a few comments from teachers that, oh no, you're gonna make it muddy and soggy for us to pass here. So no, it didn't. There was tons of rain. The wood chips absorbed the rain and you have a nice dry path, besides for the stepping stones. So I'm really glad about the wood chips. I really wore instructors. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? You guys want to smile and Sarah Miriam and Sarah. Ready? Beautiful.
Back team just passed behind the corner so you can't see the green
knobs on the hats, one on your back.
Okay. Every turn.
Laser dots, and on the hat, laser dots, and you have to shoot there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Apparently these flowers are fall flowers, or they fall in the fall. I'm not exactly sure. See how it's filling the paths and reminding us of fall. So I got my pink and my red. I didn't know that they're all gonna fall with the first rain. So now we have a beautiful fall path. Yeah. All right, walking to get grain for the baby chicks. This is the last batch of grain that I need to mill for the baby chicks. They're growing and they don't need any more. So that's what we're doing. And I just want to say how much I love this fall weather. Hello, how are you?
Good.
You're doing good?
Yeah.
Good. You playing?
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hello.
He's one of my favorite helpers. You come with me?
Yeah.
I'm following after you. You didn't see them? You have to walk slowly. They don't like when you walk fast. If you walk very, very slowly, then maybe you can catch it. Sometimes I like to give my turkeys a special treat to get them to come eat out of my hand. The special treat is sunflower seeds. Now Kiwi over here, she loves sunflower seeds and she's used to it. The younger ones aren't used to it so much. She'll eat out of my hand. They'll eat what? Look at him. First time ever. Isn't it too much for you? Kiwi, how many sunflowers can one turkey have? He's not giving up, but they're faster than him. They're too fast, huh? Okay, so this is a problem.
Someone just came to tell me that they saw this gate opened.
The end of the turkey path, and someone decided to keep it open with a rock. Wide open gate for the turkeys to run out of. You are a very handsome rooster. He's very quiet. He doesn't crow as much as the other ones. Pretty handsome though. We have those and we have these white ones.
The turkeys, they don't.
These are more docile than brown ones. The white ones are much more dominant. What do we have here? Oh boy, oh boy. We have eggs without the hard shell. So look at this. It's soft. It only has the membrane. And it doesn't have the egg. It doesn't have the shell. She's missing some nutrients, this lady here. I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to make sure she gets some calcium.
Turns out that stress is also a big factor in missing shells. The shells form at night, and we've been having some stone throwers at night. So it could be that stress is what caused it.
Yeah? These are the rest of the eggs that we get today. You holding it? Careful, okay?
If they crack, what happens?
They just crack. Then you can't eat them. They're very fresh and healthy. Can you move it back?
There's chickens inside?
No, no chickens inside. They're regular eggs. There's just chickens if the mommy sits on them for a long time.